Hello, welcome. Question 14, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. This is the objective test question. We have to find correct to two decimal places the angle between the vectors v and the vectors what? W. Now, if we are looking for the angle between two vectors, we can remember that. Okay, let me first quote the vector, which is 2i plus 5j, then that of the w as 4i plus 6 what j. Remember, the dot product of the two vectors will be equals to the magnitude of the first vector times the magnitude of the second vector times the cos of the angle between them. This is what we are looking for. So this is the angle we are looking for. This can be found easily. But remember, if I'm looking for this, I can divide by this, both sides by this, then find the cos inverse. So I can say that the angle I am looking for is just the cos inverse of the dot product divided by the magnitude of the two vectors. So that means that there's a need for me to find the dot product. There's a need to find what? The magnitude of the two vectors as well. So what do? Can I begin? Let's begin with the dot product. Remember, the dot product is going to be, what do we have? 2i plus 5j multiplying the 4i plus what? 6j. Because of space and time, I'm going to multiply the x component together without writing it, without showing the multiplication, then the y component together. So this means that 2 times 4 will give me 8 plus 5 times 6, that gives me 30. That will give me 38. So I'm done with the dot product, right? So now let me pick the magnitude of v, which is the root of 2 square plus 5 square. This also, because of time, I'm going to have 4 here plus 25. That's root 29. It doesn't have any simplification apart from decimal. So I have the root of 29 units. Then for that of w, I have first 4 square, then 6 square. This will be 16 plus 36. So we have 52. So I'm going to have the root of 52, which I can see 4 as a factor. 4 go there 13 times. Root of 4 is 2. So I should be having 2 root 13 unit as what? My value. So this means that the angle I am looking for is the cos inverse of the dot product, which is going to be 38 divided by this is multiplying, right? So that gives me the root of 29 times 2 root what? 13. I think I can put all this in the calculator to check the value of what that will be. And if you do that, we should be having 11.8. How many 8 is there? 3, 8, 6, 5, what? 8. Let me just introduce multiplication there so that I can be well seen. Now, but we are looking for the options are in two decimal places. So I'm going to have these things not 11.12. So 89 degree as the option best fit for that. And I think we can boldly pick the option what? A. I guess well understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.